Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use screenshot or snipping tool in Windows 10. First of all, you have to go to search and type snipping tool. You will definitely find it over here because in Windows 10 it comes pre-installed. As you find it over here, you can click on it and this small window will pop up. From here you can select the mode. By default it will come in rectangular snip. You can choose it from here: freeform, rectangular, windows and full screen. This window you can drag and keep wherever you want to keep. To take the screenshot you have to click new and select the area you want to take the screenshot of, and as it comes over here, you can save it, copy it and send email also direct from here. Like right now I want to send the screenshot of this website. I'm right now on Jet Airways and I want to send this screenshot to someone. I simply go to snipping tool and click new and take the screenshot of this area. This screenshot you can save or copy or send by email. By this pen tool you can mark some of the area of the screenshot, and by this highlighter you can even highlight the text, whatever you want to highlight. And there is eraser tool as well, you can simply erase it all. So that's how you take the screenshot. Now let's say you want to send this screenshot through WhatsApp or through any other app or through email. I'll try to send it first by WhatsApp. So I'll copy it from here and I go to WhatsApp. Like right now I'm on the WhatsApp here and paste it here. As I paste it, it will go as an image, and just check the price. See, this screenshot is already gone. Now let's say you want to send this screenshot by email. You can simply send it as an attachment, or you can simply copy from here and go to email. Like I'll show you my email, and I go to my email and compose email. Now you can simply right click and paste it in the email. It will come over here and click send. Your email is sent. So that's how you take screenshot on Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it has helped you.